Hello crew, I am on an agenda right now. John just called me and he's stuck. His car won't start, so I gotta call AAA and get him. So this should be fun. So we have been here for about 40 minutes with John trying to hit the starter. It's not working. AAA is here and we're gonna see if he can fix it. So they can't get the car started. The guy doesn't seem like he knows where the starter is, so we might have to get towed. And the bad part is we're far away from home because John was seeing a client and we're about 20 miles away, so we're gonna have to pay like $80 to get this car home. The struggle with finances and the struggle with cars, always something, but they're trying over there. Hopefully, keep fingers crossed, can get this car started. We're here waiting in limbo for another AAA truck.
I'm calling because my car just got in.
Mom is calling.
I was
auto
wondering
repair places
if you,
nearby.
I can have a tow
We're gonna
truck
need
bring
to be
it there.
towed now because they don't know
what the address
what's
you have
wrong
there
with
for
the
him?
car, and they couldn't start it. This is like very stressful. So guys, we're finally home. I actually left with my mom to come back home because we had switched who we were using for roadside assistance. We were first using AAA and they were charging us $80 to get back home, which is a hefty penny. Then I figured out that my car insurance, which is Geico, offers roadside assistance like with our premium, and I didn't know that, so I called them. We found out they cover more because with AAA they only cover the first 3 miles, but with Geico they covered 20 miles. So since we were far away from home, the 20 miles we're going to benefit from because our house is 24 miles away. So we saved some money there. I only paid $24 for the tow instead of 80 something. So that is what happened, and I didn't want to wait anymore. I was starving. We stopped at Subway because February is $6 foot long, so we just made it before end of February. And it was very tasty. I was able to keep it down. We left John with his car and now he just got home. He's over there. Ew, are you a zombie? Are you a zombie?
Such a frustrating day.
Yeah, he was very frustrated because he was supposed to be here 5 hours ago. Because his work, when he works on Saturdays, he gets home around 11. It's gonna be 4 o'clock right now. So he should have been here a long time ago. But instead he had to be waiting by his car all this time, trying to figure out what the heck is going on. So we towed the car home. It's in our driveway right now, but we don't know exactly what's wrong with it. We know it's not the battery because John already got a new battery. We think it may be the starter. We're trying to hit the starter with like a stick because last time we did that and it turned on twice. Once AAA did it and once John did it and it started. This time we banged the heck out of it. Would not start for the life of us. So I'm praying that it's just the starter, but it could be something else. And that something else could mean a lot of money. So I'm hoping it's not that something else and it's the thing that we think it is. So we have to figure that out and take it someplace for them to diagnose it.
When I was leaving the place that I was and I came out, I was thinking in my head, oh, you know how bad it would be if it didn't start. You know how bad it would be if it didn't start. And I got in the car.
And you thought that in your head, you jinxed yourself?
I jinxed myself.
He was like, I was thinking of taking your car this morning. I should have. From the moment you thought about taking my car, you jinxed yourself. We don't believe in jinx and all the superstition stuff, but we say it to be funny. But his car has had a lot of issues in the past year or so. We've had to put all new tires. Yeah.
Drive it so much.
Yeah, he does drive a lot.
I need this new job. I need it.
He applied for a new job that is like right down the street from our house and it's higher pay. So pray for him, pray for us that we can get him that job because it's going to help us out a lot.
Because it's closer.
And it'll be nearby so we don't have to put wear and tear on the cars.
Closer, nearby, which is the same thing. More money, good benefits, and a good career.
Yeah. What he said.
You need to get it fixed and then have me at a new job so
So that's what we're gonna pray for. That's what we're gonna pray for. Right now, we just gotta figure out where we're gonna go to get it fixed because we want to get the cheapest thing because we're on a tight budget. I'm not working. John's gonna borrow my car meanwhile, and hopefully we can just figure things out because we don't want to deal with headache once the babies are here because they'll be our headaches. In a good way, they'll be our headaches.
If they didn't get any,
I know.
Oh, tell your vlog about your dream.
No. We are here at the festival. We were gonna rest until my mom said, let's go to the festival that's in the middle of town. So they're having a train
giving out free bags or something.
and some food. No, there's more tents that way, Caleb.
Oh, more that way, okay.
Oh. So it's just not all in the middle over here.
Yeah.
Maybe it was better for traffic. We just got some hot chocolate from Honeydew, and now they're doing an ice sculpture over here. Here comes the train. Woo woo!
Patriots.
Thomas, I'm your biggest fan.
We're doing an ice sculpture of the Patriots over here. It's pretty cool. Nice. We got more tents to hit over here.
Why would you hit the tent? That's mean.
They got Girl Scouts over here. There's people eating over here. Hot dog truck. Pickled Willies. It's called Pickled Willies, see it?
Pickled Willies. Fried Oreos.
Oh look, Hong Kong treasure.
Combination plate for $5.
Ezekiel Bates Masonic Lodge, Willow Tree.
I might go down there.
John is eating a chicken salad from Willow Tree Poultry Farm.
Starting to rain.
And we had fried Oreos.
Starting to rain.
They were good, but I'm full. Mom got some Asian food. And David is eating another chicken salad. Now we're at Attleboro House of Pizza.
Barney Stinson.
Woohoo! Alright, we're going to see the llamas, the New England alpaca. Right here. There's 4. Look at this little itty bitty one. Ma, look at the little one. Look at the baby one.
Aw, Tabby, you love animals.
Look how cute.
Oh, he's going back in.
Oh, there goes the hayride. Hey.
Hey!
I like the little baby one. What would happen if we took the baby one home to Hannah?
Hannah would be scared.
She'd be like, what the fuck?
There's a drummer boy down there.
A drummer boy. Let's go see the drummer boy.
Let's go see that big fire.
And there's a museum over here.
There's 2. We missed the other one.
Yeah, but the other one was jewelry.
So, art. You don't like jewelry?
This one's art. And a craft show. Oh, look at this. Caleb! They're doing Ted's famous rain dance.
And it's raining.
Caleb's gonna be in our local newspaper. They took a picture of him eating some pizza. How do you feel being a celebrity on the local newspaper?
You know, it feels great how many people I know are gonna just look at my face while they're taking a dump.
What if there's some girls looking at it? We're like, who's that cutie?
I should have given my number to put on there too.
Who's that cutie? I need to find it on he's 14.
19.
Mom's looking at these baby shoes. Look how cute.
Well, they have it up there,
Do you
too.
think the first president wore those?
Yes, I did.
First pregnant what?
No. First president, not pregnant,
About it.
wore those shoes.
Yeah, I did in another lifetime.
Yeah.
Mira, it's a picture of someone's butt.
Where?
Let's get it, look.
Oh, look there, John.
It's a butt, David.
That is one tasty white butt.
The fair was nice. It wasn't that big. Let me mute this because it's too loud. You won't hear me. Last year they did a bigger shebang for the fair in our town, and so this one was much smaller, and then I started getting back pain. My purse is a little heavy. I'm gonna have to figure out how to carry a smaller purse, which which is hard because I have my phone, got this camera, I got like my wallet, got a bunch of stuff. So I gotta figure out how to have a smaller purse because my back hurts after walking for a while, and then with the added weight, it's not good. So we had a fun day today, even though it was kind of hectic, but we made the best of it, and we'll enjoy our Saturday. Sorry, we'll enjoy our Sunday tomorrow. Go to church and then just relax, and then probably start figuring out things on Monday. So that's the scoop, that's what's going on, and we're gonna end the vlog now. Just took a shower. John's headed in the shower now. Hannah is over here. Hannah, say hi. She's been super clingy lately. Usually she stays in her corner, but like once I lay down, she wants to lay down right next to me. So I think it's cute, but then I also think about when baby's here, she's gonna want more attention and stuff. So anywho's it's, thanks guys so much for watching. We appreciate all of you. We hope you guys had a great day, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Remember to love your life. Bye.